love it.
Precision optics. Stylish people love. At Zenni.com, we make it all stunningly affordable. So you can see the world the way it's meant to be seen. In perfect focus. Zenni.com. Eyewear for everyone.
And then his butt smart enough to put his beak in the side.
Yeah, he turned his face sideways and got his beak in there. Look at that thing.
We're number 128.
I know. Oh, that's a nice bag.
That's nice.
Oh, I could rock that bag. I could take that bag
Mike,
home.
that's a 97.
Yeah. Oh, that's a nice bag.
Baby, Kalia is
And I can get 10% off if I order it now. And I ain't got no money. Look, love. Oh.
Yeah, it's an Amtrak. And the LSU fan crashes into the Amtrak.
Oh, he
Amtrak train
crashed.
carrying. It's a Amtrak train carrying LSU fan crashes in Alabama.
Oh, Lord.
It collided with a dump truck outside of Birmingham.
Ooh.
20 times a day, 4 times a night. How often do you feel the urge to
Somebody
go to the
wasn't paying
bathroom?
attention what they was
Stop
doing.
counting. Count on Azo Bladder Control. It helps reduce the urge with naturally sourced pumpkin seed, so you can go less and worry less.
We experienced our first Northeast winter